Hi guys, I'm Cheri at cookswellwithothers.com. That's my food blog where I share all of the recipes and the meals that I make for my family each week, and then I share them with you just to give you guys some new, fresh dinner ideas. So for this week, cold weather is setting in. I certainly don't want to eat a salad or anything healthy when it's fall and kind of chilly outside. So this week I am doing all comfort foods. When I think of comfort food, I think of bacon, I think of cheese, I think of pasta. We're just gonna kind of go all out this week with comfort foods. So here we go with this week's weekly meal plan. All right, so the first comfort food meal that I have is a slow cooker Italian chicken. This one's actually super easy to make. You just throw everything in the slow cooker and it is absolutely amazing. The next one that we have is, it is probably the most requested dinner that I make in my family. It's chicken and waffles, but it's not only chicken and waffles. It's chicken with waffles stuffed with cheddar cheese and bacon. Talk about comfort food. The next comfort food meal that I have is buffalo chicken burritos. Those are also very easy to make. You just roll them up, lots of cheese. Oh my gosh, those are so amazing. And then for our fun weekend recipe, like I said, I always like to get a little bit creative on the weekends. We have cheesy stuffed jalapenos with candied bacon. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this week's weekly meal plan, and I'll be back next week with more recipes for you.